A film that is garnering global attention is hitting a roadblock in India. The UK's official Oscar entry Santosh has been celebrated worldwide, even earning the British Academy Film Awards BAFTA nomination. But you won't be able to watch it in India. That's because the Central Board of Film Certification (CBFC) has blocked its release, citing its raw depiction of police brutality, caste discrimination, and misogyny. Indian filmmakers are outraged, the audience is divided, and the controversy is only intensifying. So, what's at the heart of this censorship battle? Written and directed by British Indian filmmaker Sandhya Suri, Santosh tells the gripping story of a young widow who joins the police force and investigates the murder of a Dalit girl. But this isn't your typical Indian cop drama. Instead of glorifying the heroic officer, Santosh presents a morally complex narrative when no one is entirely blamed. The film holds a mirror to society, tackling deep-rooted issues like caste-based violence, misogyny in law enforcement, religious discrimination, and police brutality. So, what are CBFC's objections? Despite initially approving the script, the CBFC has now demanded extensive cuts. Reports suggest they are particularly uncomfortable with the film's portrayal of police corruption and violence, systemic discrimination against Dalits, religious bias within the system. Director Sandhya Suri revealed in an interview that the CBFC's list of suggested cuts was so extensive that implementing them would strip the film of its essence. The filmmakers refused to comply, halting the film's release in India. Unsurprisingly, the censorship decision has sparked intense debate. Lead actress Sahana Goswami expressed disappointment, stating that the film would be too different if the changes were made. And social media users were quick to react. Some criticized the government, saying increasing censorship is stifling artistic freedom, while others pointed out the irony that a film being celebrated worldwide is being blocked in its home country. Well, this isn't the first time Indian censors have clashed with filmmakers over bold themes. To refresh our memories, let's recount a few examples. 2016's Udta Punjab, the CBFC demanded 89 cuts, citing its raw depiction of Punjab's drug crisis, and after a legal battle, the film was released with minimal edits. 2017's Lipstick Under My Burqa, initially denied certification for being too lady-oriented. It was eventually cleared after public outcry. Then we had Padmavat, which was released in 2018. It faced protests from fringe groups claiming the film distorted history. The CBFC asked for changes, including a title modification. So the worrying part is this a growing pattern of silencing dissenting narratives in cinema? Should films that expose harsh realities be suppressed, or should they be a mirror to society? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more such videos.